take it. This Lucozade is not nice. This is better. I want this one.
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
I'm sorry for the intrusion, really. My name is Tony, and it's my birthday today.
Wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, and I'm in high spirits. And I'm just thinking that you could pick whatever it is that you want. It's on me. Yes, my name.
We should do that.
Please enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead. You're heavy, so I like to think that
Oh,
you're welcome. Really, it's nothing. Please, I don't know if I can get your contact.
Me?
Yes, please. Look, I mean no harm. I just want to be your friend. I mean, we're already acquainted, so let me call you once in a while and check on you, please. Please. Come on now, please. Okay, I have it. I definitely call you, okay? Alright.
Alright, you're on our way now.
Which one are you going? Are you mobile?
No, we want to use Dikeh.
What? You know what? I'll drop you off. It's nothing.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Go for your way. Go.
I'm sorry, but it won't be possible. I said I can't make it. I can't. Oh God, I said I can't. Bye.
What's that?
The guy we met at the supermarket.
Oh wow! The nice guy that paid for our shopping. What does he want?
He's asking for dinner.
And what did you say?
What did I say? I said no, of course. What were you expecting?
Oh my God, he's just asking for dinner. Nothing else.
Uh-huh.
So, why would you reject it?
Why would I reject it? I rejected it because he might start asking for something else later. I mean, guys are unpredictable.
For the main time, he's just asking for dinner, isn't it? Listen, the guy we saw at the supermarket does not strike me as a bad person. He made it clear that he only wanted to be friends. You never can tell him, yeah, God sent. God knows our present condition. That just, maybe he sent this guy to favor us. You're going for the dinner.
And why doesn't he want to be friends with you? You're not pregnant. Why me?
Why would he want to? That is the point. I do not think he wants to do anything with a pregnant woman.
That is why he should not be friends with me.
He could be a God sent.
Okay, good night.
And it's not a matter of good night. You are going for the dinner. Huh? I said you are going for the dinner. Come on! Judith, wake up.
I know. That's why I brought you here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know what they say about pregnant women? They like to eat. You know, I have grown fond of you. Yeah, I have. You seem to be the only one that I think of every day now. Honestly, Uzioma. You have occupied my mind. Listen, you won't believe this. Don't laugh now. But the truth is, I dreamt of you last night. Yeah. Saw you in my dreams. It was beautiful. And I'm hoping we can make it a reality.
What?
What I am saying, in essence, is that I really like you, and I like to think that you like me too. And just give me a chance to love you. Like you deserve to be loved. What?
You're joking, right? That must be some kind of joke.
I'm serious. I'm serious. I like you. I'm very serious.
You know that is not even possible.
Why not?
Look at me. I am pregnant.
And pregnancy is a beautiful thing. It's a blessing from God. Listen, I want us to be lovers, okay? I want to take care of you. I want to be with you through this entire process.
Listen, I am 5 months gone already. You can't possibly have anything to do with me.
Why?
Because this is someone else's child.
Where is he? Where is your engagement ring? Where is he right now? He got you in this condition and disappeared. Unfortunately, though, he's dead. But sweetheart, you have your whole life ahead of you. And I want to be part of that life. Please, baby, let me love you. I'd like for you to be my wife. Yes, Lucy. You can do this. Hey, don't cry. Don't cry. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. You're gonna make me cry now if you cry. Don't cry, it's okay. Don't cry.
I really don't understand. Are you seriously asking me to accept Tony's proposal?
Yes, because that is the best thing for you.
Best thing for me. How? As you can see, I'm carrying Ikenna's child.
Oh! There she go again. Ikenna. That is all you keep saying. The bastard has been sentenced to death already in Indonesia, right? So you plan on giving birth to a bastard. You want to raise a bastard alone. You don't like your life. And God now answered your prayer and gave you a competent man who volunteered to take away this shame and burden off your shoulder. But what did you do? You said no. Okay? You don't like good things. Are you even thinking at all? In about your life. Currently, we have no food in this house and no hope for tomorrow. Do you plan on going back to the village, maybe to stay with your uncle or your father who has already rejected you? Is that it?
I don't know how I'm going to do it. But I'm going to raise Ikenna's child alone. I must not be married to another man to do so.
Very well then. It has to be outside this house. I mean, in your own apartment. Because this house will no longer contain the both of us.
It hasn't gotten to this.
It has! My darling, it has! Listen to me, I don't keep dumb people around me. You refuse to make use of your God-given brain, right? You love poverty. You love to suffer. That has to be outside this my house. Enolia? start making arrangements. And that is fast. You know that? Can I? Judith.
There was no one in Ikena's compound. Yes. I tried to ask around. Someone told me that he traveled out of this country some months ago.
He did what?
He traveled.
Chelo? Wait. I hope Ozioma did not go with him. Yeah! How could she have such a mind?
Will you blame her? Huh? Her father, the king, wanted to kill her. So she had to run for her dear life. Huh? My only concern now is that she was supposed to have told us where she was going so that at least we can check on her. Huh? But wait, Ikena, that poor boy, parabolating around this village without shishi. He was able to travel to Obodo Ibo. How did he raise the money?
What kind of question is that? But I don't know. Well, I pray God should help him and bless him too.
I pray too. But children of nowadays, before you know it, they travel out of this country. Eh? And all of them want to travel at the same time. So who will be here with us?
What are you saying? What are you saying?
What am I not
Why
saying?
won't they travel? This country is in a mess. Eh? Nigeria is confused. So if they want to run away, let them run away.
I disagree with you. I disagree with you. This is our country. We must all remain here, live here and die here.
You want to die here?
Yes, sir. What are you talking about? If this country
You will live and die there alone.
Yes, sir.
Me, I will not die.
We have to repair the country. If everybody runs away, so who will repair it?
Have you gotten your own apartment? I'm talking to you. Have you found your apartment?
What apartment?
Oh, you actually took me for a joke when I asked you to start looking for your own place? You think I'm joking?
Judith. Where do you want me to go? How do you want me to...
Zoma, listen to me. I have really tried for you more than enough. But you successfully proven to be nothing but an epic failure. That is who you are. Yeah, because what girl in her rightful senses want to throw away a golden opportunity like that? Do you know who that guy is? Do you know who Tony is? Do you know that man can actually buy you the whole world? What every girl is desperately looking for, you want to just throw it away like that? Are you out of your senses? Are you mad?
Judith, I'm carrying another man's child.
Please, I don't want to hear that rubbish, okay? I'll give you a few hours to leave my house. I want you to...
I just want you to understand me. I'm carrying another man's child. How do you expect me to marry Tony? Please, I'm begging you. I have nowhere to go. I don't... Where would I even get money to get an apartment? Please.
Judith! Judith! Judith!
This is too much for me. Where would I go if I leave this house? Go back to the village so the king will deal with me or what? How do I take care of myself in this pregnancy? If I had known that Ikenna will die, I swear to God I wouldn't have supported him to travel. How can a mother and father lose the only seed just like that? I really do not have a choice. But this child should.
Like I said, I'm not the biological father. So you need to give me some time to go and discuss with him first. You know he's the king, so whatever we're going to do should be done in the palace.
I agree. I mean, he should be lenient with matters like this. You know, no matter the rift between the both of them, that should not stop him from accepting his daughter's bride price from a suitor and also open up his palace, you know, to a grand traditional wedding. I mean, it's something to be happy about. That's what I think.
Let us talk about accepting the bride price first. Yes, because that man, I've never seen his type. I should tell her.
I was going to ask you, sir, if it's okay that I come with you to the palace as you appeal to the king.
Sure, you can. But you know, these ones, they are mine.
Carry on.
For you to, I mean, you have to knock on my door too.
Right. Carry on. Carry on.
So thank you very much.
Where is your king? The king is inside the palace.
Father.
My princess of Rome. What are you doing in my palace? I ask you, what have you come to do in my palace?
Is that question a welcoming statement, or you are trying to embarrass me in the presence of our visitor here?
Total embarrassment. Did I not warn you to stop coming to this place? Eh? I told you that I don't want to have anything to do with you or any member of your family. The bond between us is broken. Why are you here? Your sister's daughter is still in my wanted list. She went ahead and almost fought my daughter along the road. Are you not aware of it? Are you not aware of it?
Ikemba, your negative attitude towards me each time I come to this palace is beginning to lose. Yes. If I am your problem, then just let me know. Then I will go and never come back again. My sister, who was your wife, is late. And the only link between you and I is Uzio. Now that you think that this one is enough for you, I mean it's good enough for you, then I will leave and never come back.
How dare you? How dare you refer to the princess of this land as this one? How dare you? Listen to me, old man. You should know that I am not my father. So I won't take it from you if you use such words on me again.
Jerry, are you by any means referring to me with those you're ranting?
Oh yes, I am. What will you do about it? Will you eat me up?
Young lady, please, watch your language. He's an elder, please.
And who is this one? A commoner. How dare you open that thing, that gutter you call mouth, and address the princess of this land? How dare you? You know what? Enough. We have had enough. Both of you, leave the palace. Now!
Calm down.
Guards!
Calm down! Hey, stop! Stop! You cannot go. Please go.
You see what I told you? See what I told you about that man? Anyway, you are from the neighboring village, right? Don't worry. You can go and live with your wife. Huh? I will talk to my kinsman. Maybe with time, that man will come back to his senses and he will change his mind. Okay?
I must say that you have been very helpful. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'll drop you off at your place. It's fine. It's fine.
Let's do that.
And be independent.
I can't wait to be independent and leave this palace.
Yes, so leave Princess Uju and not have trouble.
Wait. Do you know something? That wicked fool. That wicked fool that thinks her father's palace is a heaven. My dear, look at you.
What's the noise all about? What's all this? What is that? Why are you maidens disturbing the peace of this palace?
Ma just got a marriage proposal from her friend and we're happy about it.
Yes, my princess.
And so? What's new about that? Is that why you want to bring down my father's palace? Listen and listen very good. This should be the first and the last time you will do such. The next time I hear such noise in this palace, you all will be fired.
Princess Uju, are you this heartless? Why are you a sadist? You think life ends and starts with being a princess? Are you not a woman? Can't you rejoice with others so it comes to you? I didn't expect this from you.
Chidinma, I can see you have grown wings. You now talk back at the princess of this kingdom. Well, let's just say today I'm in a good mood. The next time you will try this, I don't need to tell you what will happen to you. Mere proposal, you want to bring down my father's palace? What if you get married? What will happen? You will probably send me out of my father's kingdom. Useless maidens. Fools! Idiot! That's what you are. Are you still there? Are you still there?
Nwanne arụ adịghị onye ahụ. Onye a na-ekwo ekwo. Ọ na-ekwo ekwo.
It was just a nightmare.
Nightmare? What happened? What happened?
I can't remember. It's nothing. I can't remember.
You know what? It's fine. Okay? It's fine. I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Come.
Bye.
Oh, bye, my darling. And have a nice day at school.
Okay, Mama, I love you.
And I love you too. Be a good boy. And now you have to run along. You're late.
Right. So I'll just drop him off at school and I'll be back home. Okay, babe? Babe?
What?
I said I'll drop him off at school and I'll be back to you.
Oh,
Are you okay?
Mom, are you okay?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'll see you soon.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, so please drive carefully.
Sure, will. Seatbelt.
Madam! Madam! Oh! Madam! Oh! Anything? Oh, when? Yeah.
What's going on? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. What's happening to me? What's going on? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. What's happening to me?
That's very bad news. From who? Hold on a second. Let me confirm again. Just calm down. Whatever it is, take it easy. Yes, bro. Can you repeat that thing you said about Ikenna? Huh? Yes. Wait. So it's true then? Hey! Which Ikenna are you talking about? Judith, answer me. Which Ikenna are you talking? I need to call the person. Give me my phone. Relax. You want to hear it? Sit down. Judith, I cannot sit down until you tell me what is going on. You just said you heard something bad about Ikenna. What is it? Ozzy, I don't know how to begin to say it to you. Ozzy, can you relax, please? I'm sitting. What did you hear? Judith, you're crying. Judith, what did you hear? Because what did you hear? Okay, what? You have to be strong, okay? You have to be very strong and you have to promise me. Okay, you're scaring me. What is it? I just got a terrible news from a reliable source. That what? That Ikenna was arrested in the country he went to a few weeks ago because of drug trafficking. And as a matter of fact, he has been sentenced to death. No. That is a joke, right? Ikenna just left a few weeks ago. Why? Judith, I need you to call this person and let the person confirm to you that this is not true. Judith, call him! Please, just take your phone and call him. I beg you, call him! I'm sorry, it's true. One can't just joke with something like that. Hey! Please. Why? Eh? Ozoma! Ozoma, you are joking right now, Abi? Ozoma! Hey!
Babe. Hey. Easy now. Come on, it's me. It's me. Are you okay? Relax, son. It's me. Relax.
You're back?
Yes, and I started with you. Why? Well, were you having a bad dream?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay. Nothing is wrong. I'm fine.
Hey, you look a bit troubled to me. Are you certain everything is alright? Huh?
Yes. Everything is fine.
Okay.
I'm good.
You know what? Why don't you change it to something really, really nice? I'm thinking we step out for a bit, so I can take you shopping.
No. Maybe not now. I'm tired. I mean, I'm feeling sick and sleepy. I just need to sleep.
And we don't know how she has been faring. Yes, she got married. And father chased her uncle out of the palace. What I'm saying is very simple. Father should call her and tell her she's no longer on his wanted list. She ran out of this community and has not been back.
Chizaram, how did you know all this?
I have been visiting her uncle and his wife. As a married woman, Sister Ozioma is supposed to be bringing food items for her uncle. Because their 2 children are not around. At least let her be coming back home. Please.
Zara. Are you this jobless? You move around searching for people that doesn't care about you. Please, get a job.
We can never be at par. We are from the same womb, but our chi is different. Ozioma remains the first daughter of this family. And no tradition can change that. Father knows I'm saying the truth.
Enough of all this. Chizaram, I have had you.
Judith, I have been dreaming about him lately. The thing is, I haven't dreamt about him, like, in a very long time. Really? Maybe because you've been thinking about him lately. You've been doing so, right? You don't want me to lie to you, do you? You know it's not easy to forget one's first love. Ozzy, listen to me. You have to forget everything about that guy. You'll be doing yourself a huge favor by doing that. For crying out loud, this guy is dead and gone. And you're now a married woman. Why are you still thinking about him? Ozzy, you seriously do not want your husband to catch a grip of this, right? Listen, can we meet up and talk about this tomorrow? Okay, we'll talk about it tomorrow. Fine. Bye.
What's that?
Judith?
Yeah, how is she?
She's fine. She sends her regards.
My regards to her next speaker. It's been ages. What's happening with her? She good?
Of course she is. Has Chidi gone to bed?
Yeah, he's snoring.
Thank God.
What?
What do you mean what? I hope you didn't sing him to bed again.
Oh yes, of course I sang him to bed. It's my responsibility.
Tony.
Yes, baby.
I have said this before and I'm going to say it again. You need to stop singing him to bed.
You're just being jealous.
It's not about me being jealous. That boy is not... Okay. He's not a child. I don't want it to become a habit. Please. Stop.
What do you have against that? Now, come on, you know how you love him.
I don't have anything.
Yeah, but he enjoys it.
Okay.
That's how he sleeps.
But stop.
When you give me a second child, maybe I might reconsider, but for now, he's my world.
See, don't even start. Not too late.
I want to black cock or white cock.
Oh, please.
This power is not good at all. Good afternoon, my beautiful princess. How are you? My back, please. Sit down. Hi. You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Yes.
Papa, were you able to get Ojima's contact?
No, I couldn't. I couldn't. But not to worry. The husband will come very soon to see me.
Okay.
Once he comes, I'll collect the number and give it to you. You see, I have no phone. But my daughter promised to buy me one. Even my wife wants to speak with Ozioma.
Okay, so Papa, when do I come back to get the contact? Because I really want to speak to my sister.
Don't worry. When the husband comes, I will collect the number from him and give to you.
Okay,
You are a very nice person, no? You are the only person who understands that the same blood flows in you and that of Ozioma. And not that your rude sister. That your sister. Anyway, thank you very much for checking on Ozioma all the time, okay?
Okay, sir, I'll take my... Yes.
Take care.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Princess will not bring this kind of thing. All right, okay. Bye-bye. This cover, please. Dikeh. The village failure. You're no longer smelling. See you?
Haba, uncle. There was never a time I stink. Anyway, it's me, and I thank God for everything. Please, I want to see Ozioma.
Ozioma?
Yeah.
Are you not aware that she's married? She's married though.
Oh yes, so I heard. Just that I want you to help me with her contact.
I don't know if you were listening to me. I just told you that she's married. So, what do you need her contact for?
Of course, I know she's married, uncle. She's my friend, and it's not a crime to call her friend, right?
I know that it's not a crime. But I can't.
Uncle, please. There is nothing wrong with having her. I just want to, it's been a while. Like, I'm back right now. I meant to like call, how are you and stuff like that. Nothing. It's just to call a friend.
Mba, Kena. I can still remember vividly how you pestered life out of her when she was not married. And you traveled. Now you are back. You want to continue from where you stopped. Mba, I will not agree.
If that's what
you just hold on. I will not be alive and watch you destroy her marriage. I will not.
If that's what you're thinking, it's far from it. I just wanted to have Ozioma's contact and call her up as a friend. That's all. Please, kindly help me with the contact.
It's okay. Let me tell you the truth. I don't have a contact. And that is the truth. Yes, I don't.